High wind warnings still on like 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. tonight until the windstorm is going to be over for the next couple of days. So, like we're in yo-yo weather right now for the string with the ball on it. So with snow. Um, I'm wearing black right now. Man in the black, like Nike. This is college Broncos, Nike, Juggies, black hat. That's me. I'm in the TV show right now, so which is nice. That's very, very smart. That's my life. Here I work at His College. And don't forget to keep it rigid, stay lit.